Hello, welcome to Automation Anywhere A 2019 tutorial. In this session, we will learn about Excel automation. Automation Anywhere A 2019 has three different packages for Excel automation. First is Excel Advanced, second is Excel Basic, third is Office 365 Excel. We will see the difference between all three packages. If Excel desktop version is installed on your computer, you can use Excel Advanced package. And if it is not installed on your computer, you can go for Basic package. If you are using online version of Excel, then you can use Office 365 Excel package. In Advanced Excel package, you can also work with CSV format files. For basic, CSV is not supported, and in Office 365 Excel it is web browser. This is all about Excel packages. You can use as per your requirement and utilities. Let's practice Excel automation in Automation Anywhere A 2019. So we'll open one Excel file and we'll look through each row in that Excel file, and we'll use a message box to see the values in each row of that Excel file. So let us begin. I'll quickly create a bot. So if we type Excel here, you will find all three packages: Excel Advanced, Excel Basic and Office 365 Excel. So mostly we'll find Excel installed on your computers, so we'll go with Excel Advanced package. So first we will open Excel, drag action open for it. So this is session name. Session name we have to give, cause if we are dealing with different Excel files, so to identify those files, this session name is important. So for now we are dealing with one, so default is okay. Here I'll browse my file. If it is password protected, you have to give credentials here to open it. And if the sheet contains headers, you have to check this out, otherwise it will consider it as a row. Okay, this is done. So after that I'll show you that file. See, this is that Excel file. We'll add one loop to go through each row from that Excel. We'll drag one loop. Here we have to give Excel Advanced for each row in worksheet. So here see, session name is there. So if we have 2-3 Excels, we are dealing with 2-3 Excel files, then this session name will identify the specific Excel. Here we can mention specific row or cell range. For now we will go for all rows. And if you want to add some condition to read, so here you can give that in while. So for now it is not required. And here we have to mention a variable to assign current value. So I'll create new okay. For displaying those, I'll add one message box, not in variable, in actions, message box. Hi, then that variable employee name. So here you have to mention which column value you have to display. So I'll go by index. The indexes will start from 0. First column 0, second column 1, like that. So in my Excel file, the employee names are in second column, but index here will come 1. Now save and run. So first it will open Excel file, then it will go each row from that Excel and display message hi with employee name. See, hi Ritesh first, then hi Ajay second, hi Soumya, hi Aparna, hi John. See, like this you can loop through each row from that Excel. You can go with other columns also. Whatever you want to do, you can try. So this is about Excel automation. Try more examples and explore more. Let's do one more example. First, drag action, get multiple cells. It will store all cell data into a variable of type table. Second, we'll create a new worksheet and write data from datatable to newly created worksheet. Let's start. So first we will drag an action, get multiple cells. Session name will be default as we've given already. So select range from cells to be returned, means how much cells you want to get. Here for now I am using all rows. You can specify how many rows you want, and you can give range also. And here we have to mention a variable in which you are going to save all the data, all the selected cells data. So it will be of type table. So we'll create one variable for it, data table values. Create. Now we'll add one worksheet in that. Create one worksheet. Default. Here you have to give name for worksheet. So this action will create one worksheet for you in the same Excel workbook, because we have given session name as default for the same workbook. After this, we'll add some data in that. So we'll do write data from data table. Session name will be default. Here we have to mention the variable, data table values, specific worksheet. Here you have to give the name of that newly created worksheet. And from where you want to start pasting the values. That's sale name. Save and run. Bot has run successfully. See, this is our previous sheet, sheet 1. It has created new sheet and pasted the data.